Hi, my name is Cian Aldred and I'm working down here in Dunhill, County Waterford for my uncle Declan Murphy. The standard teat bar we used before with normal ordinary bulk tank milk could take anywhere from an hour and a half to 2.5 hours, whereas when we switched to the new Evolution, the work rate, like the time it took, halved. With the smart tag in the ear, it would go in, it'd know exactly which calf it is. It's definitely saved up a lot more time, where there's a big difference between finishing at 6 and finishing at 7 in the evenings, especially coming into the cold winter months. They've just excelled since coming off the feeder. Like, they were ready to go straight out onto the grass in April time. Because with the feeder we could tell if they weren't drinking throughout the day, that we knew if they were still small we could bring them back a few days on the graph and it could bring them on even further, whereas before we wouldn't have known that. The service with the JFC Evolution is outstanding. There's a 24-hour helpline on the feeder that the person at the end of the phone would pick up, guaranteed every time. They never answer the phone and say, "Oh, I'll ring you back in the morning." It's always, "We'll sort this out now." It's just straight up exceptional service from the start.